Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this quick and easy Valentine's Day makeup look. I love Valentine's Day, you guys. Even though I don't have a Valentine this year, I'm just gonna stay home with my cats and watch a bunch of romance movies by myself. But I still want to do a makeup look for you guys because I love the holiday because it's so pink, and pink is just my favorite color, so I wanted to just incorporate that into my makeup. So I have like a lot of blush, a rose gold eye, and a glossy pink lip, which I actually love. I usually don't wear gloss, but I actually love how it looks right now. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I would really appreciate that. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for me. So with that being said, let's just get started. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm using my KYLIE Skin Moisturizer and Eye Cream. I love using these two together. They're really good products. They just work really well on my skin, so I would highly recommend if you've never tried them out. I'm also going to be using my e.l.f. Putty Primer on my skin on top of that. This just gives a flawless finish to your skin before applying foundation. It completely smooths out your skin and just covers all of your pores, so I absolutely love this product. For foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible. This is a great foundation if you like a full coverage. I start by applying the foundation to one side of my face first, blending that out, and then I move on to the other side of my face. This foundation is just a 10 out of 10, so if you haven't tried it, definitely consider it. As for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm only going to conceal underneath my eyes because I didn't really want to conceal anywhere else. Then to set everything on my face, I'm using my KYLIE Skin Loose Powder. I start by taking a smaller fluffy brush to set my concealer and my eyelids. Then I take a larger fluffy brush and I just put the powder all over my face. I really love loose powder, you guys, and I like to make sure that my foundation is definitely set. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit in dark brown. I fill my eyebrows in pretty quickly, but if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, then let me know. On top of the gel, I use the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow just to set everything in place. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm using my Carli Bybel Anastasia palette. This palette is super pretty. I'm gonna start by taking the shade called Chai. It is a matte light brown shade. Taking a blending brush, I'm just gonna blend this all over my crease and pretty much all over my eyelid. This shade is just gonna give a warmer tone to the look. Next, I'm going to take the shade called Bible and I'm going to just blend that into the outer corners of my eyes just to add more definition. And for my lid, I'm using the shade called Aura. This is a pink rose gold shadow and it is going to go all over my lid. I'm going to use my fingers to just blend that out. This is probably my favorite shadow from the palette. I think it's perfect. It's super shimmery, super nice. It stands out perfectly against the warmer tones. I'm also going to clean any fallout underneath my eyes with some powder. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Chai again. This is just going to tie in the eye look. Lastly, I'm using the shade called Bear to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And for eyeliner, I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. This is pretty much the only eyeliner that I use. I love how thin the brush is, and it's also super pigmented, so I would highly recommend. Now moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil. I just use an angled brush to apply this onto my cheeks, and I also apply this on my neck and my forehead. Next, I'm taking this blush palette by Catrice, and I'm using the top 2 shades, and I'm just going to mix that and put that on my cheekbones. I like to smile whenever I apply my blush, only because you can actually see the shape of your cheekbones, so that's just a quick tip. Also, to finish my eye look, I did use my Ardell false lashes. I'll leave the style number on the screen for you guys. And now for my lips, I'm going to be using my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Free Spirit. I'm going to overline my lips just a little bit to give me a more full look. I love these NYX lip liners. The suede ones are just super soft and smooth, and they're not drying on your lips at all. I also used the Partner in Crime lip gloss by KYLIE Cosmetics to finish off this look. And last but not least, I'm highlighting my nose with the shade Moo from the Carly Bible palette. So after that, you guys, this is my completed makeup look. I'm obsessed with how this makeup turned out, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure you give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.